So, OnePlus has just dropped something very special at our Digit Test Labs, and this is an India exclusive and it's sitting right here in this black mystery box. Now, let's quickly unbox this. They are calling it the OnePlus 13s, which is a brand new addition to the OnePlus lineup. So, let's go ahead and unpack what's inside this black box. So, there's a message by the CEO of OnePlus India, Robin Liu, and right here is the OnePlus 13s. Now, this is a brand new addition to the OnePlus lineup, and what makes this extra exciting is that this is a compact flagship. So, I'll quickly unbox this and we'll see what's inside this box. Inside, we get this is the phone right here. This is the OnePlus 13s. It's quite compact, and before that, let's go ahead, quickly check out what all we get inside this box. Right here is a small compact case, which is in the same color as the phone that we have got. I'll quickly show you in a bit. Apart from that, we have some quick guides right here, and that's about it, I guess. Now, this is the 80-watt SuperVOOC fast charger, and we also get a Type-C cable with it. And right here is the SIM ejector pin that you get inside the box. So, quickly setting aside all of these things, this is the OnePlus 13s. So this right here is the OnePlus 13s, and wow, it's got that compact feel. It's got a 6.32-inch display, which is rare in this world of giant smartphones. But don't let this size fool you. This thing packs some serious power under the hood. So underneath this sleek frame that you see is the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which is Qualcomm's flagship grade SoC. OnePlus hasn't compromised on flagship performance even in this pocketable form factor, which is like props to OnePlus for that, because they could have packed in a mid-range chipset, but they did not and went with the Snapdragon 8 Elite. The display is a 6.32-inch AMOLED display, and it looks punchy, vibrant, and it's got that smooth scrolling effect that you can expect from a OnePlus flagship. We'll be testing out the refresh rate, brightness, and color tuning in our full review, but first impressions, it looks really promising. So that's your first look at the OnePlus 13s. It's compact, exclusive to India, and it's got the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. We'll be putting this through its paces for our full review, camera test, gaming test, battery life, the whole deal. But let me know in the comments, does the idea of a compact flagship in 2025 excite you, or do you think it's a gimmick? And what do you want to see tested for our full review? Do let me know in the comments below. Hit that like button and subscribe to our channel while you are at it. Thanks for watching.